Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Furrever token, and that is spelled Furrever, and ticker symbol is FURR. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, and it is live for pre-sale right now on their webpage. A brand new token. We're going to go over the information on the Furrever token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at Furrever Token. Real easy to find. 113 members so far. 7 of them are online. That's a great place to join the conversation regarding this project if you want to learn more. They also have a Twitter at Furrever Token that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there. 78 followers so far. They just joined in January 2024. 9 tweets. It says, "Get ready for a positively charming adventure with Furrever token. Our fluffy crypto kitty is here to whisker you away into a world of cuteness and giggles." So, on their webpage, if you go over to furrevertoken.com, you will see that there is a buy now button at the top. There's a buy now button on the left of the screen. You can't miss it. You click on that. That's going to take you where you need to go. And they have a, it says for the fastest news, basically a newsletter. You can put in your name and email and you get a newsletter sent to you regarding this token as well. So when does the pre-sale start and end? Once you click on the buy now button, it takes you to some frequently asked questions where you can learn about this project here. Let me just open this up in a different browser here. They also have a full white paper on their webpage too that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. There you go. Okay. So yeah, if you go to buy.furrevertoken.com, you can connect your wallet there, and you can either get the token with Ethereum, BNB, Matic, USDT on the BEP20 chain or ERC20 chain. So all different ways to get the token. They've already raised $69,708.90 so far, and they are only in stage 1. So they're 69.71% sold out on stage 1. Looks like they're going for 100,000 USDT, so $100,000, and they're more than half of the way there already in stage 1. So very early on this token, still the first stage. You can go check it out and just connect your wallet. It's real easy steps. And if you get stuck, there is a how to buy button that will guide you. Pretty straightforward there. And then all the info is going to be on their white paper, 7-page white paper. So it says, introducing the Furrever token, a cryptocurrency project designed to revolutionize the crypto space by infusing it with an irresistible dose of cuteness. Furrever token goes beyond the traditional use cases, offering a delightful and charming user experience. Join us as we embark on a journey to redefine crypto through adorable cat-themed engagements. So in a world dominated by a series of blockchain projects, Furrever Token aims to bring a breath of fresh air to its lighthearted approach of crypto. Our mission is to provide users with a unique and enjoyable experience that centers around the universal appeal of cute kitties. Now their vision is to create a whimsical and heartwarming crypto ecosystem where Furrever Token is fun and also enjoyable, creating a sense of community and shared joy. Their mission is to develop a user-friendly platform that is centered around adorable cat imagery for fun and project growth, integrate cute cat-themed stickers, emojis, and visuals into the Furrever token ecosystem, foster a warm and friendly community that shares a love of the lighter side of crypto. So the Tokenomics, total supply of this token is 9 billion tokens. Now 50% of those tokens are going to go to the pre-sale. 25% goes to decentralized exchange listings. So this is a BEP20 token, so most likely after the pre-sale, shortly after it'll go over to Pancakeswap for purchase. And then 15% of the tokens go to marketing burn. 10% goes to the team, which is locked for 1 year. So there is 10, count them, 10 different pre-sale stages, and it is still pre-sale stage number 1. So very early. As the token stages go on, the price is slowly going to increase. So right now it is stage 1, and the token price is 0 and then 4 zeros and a 6 USDT. And it slowly goes up every phase until we get to stage 10, and it'll be 0.3017 USDT. And then after that, then it'll be even more when it gets listed on like a decentralized exchange. So some of the features here, they have the Cute Kitty Joy. Furrever token transforms everyday downs into adorable experiences by integrating cute cat-themed stickers and visuals for users to choose from. Also, community challenges. Engage with the community through regular challenges. Launch and growth, encouraging users to share their love for cuteness. Cuteness surprises. Future airdrops and surprises featuring exclusive cute cat content to reward and delight the Furrever token community. This is to be announced and created by the team at a much later date. And then they have the roadmap. Starting with phase 1 is the foundation launch. So launch the websites, social media, pre-sale stage 1 begins, so that's where we're at, and then start marketing. Phase 2, community engagement. Grow the Telegram, Twitter members, continue marketing, start appointing community managers, reach stage 3 of the pre-sale. Phase 3 of the roadmap is going to be the explosive growth phase, so past stage 8 of the pre-sale, have over 10,000 social media members, push marketing campaign for pre-launch push, start collecting information for token allocation. Phase 4, go live. Set up token allocations, push marketing for launch, launch on decentralized exchange, allocate community tokens, and phase 5, keep pushing growth, have over 20,000 members, start trending on DEX tools, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko, be in the top 1,000, push cuteness to the world. While we focus on fun, the security and compliance of Furrever token platform is paramount. We will be conducting audits and safety measures that will be implemented to secure for all users. So go check this token out, the Furrever token. Furrevertoken.com is their official webpage, and then you can find a link to buy the token on there if you'd like. Go check out their socials. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.